Hi, just doing well, guys. I realized I've been posting for a while now and I haven't done a proper introduction. My name is Solomon David. I'm the CEO of Solop Computer World, also known as Solop. Welcome to my channel, guys, once again. If you're just watching us for the first time, please hit the notification button and do well to subscribe. This channel is going to show you easy ways to navigate your PC, and we deal on sales of laptops, accessories, and office equipment. We also deal on repairs of software and hardware problems, which we are going to be showing you and giving you educative videos concerning computer repairs. Please do well to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. My name is Samuel. I'm a staff in Solop Computer World. At Solop Computer World, we specialize on repairs of electronic devices such as computers, laptop, desktop, monitor, and projectors. And also, we deal on sales of computers and accessories such as the mouse, the keyboard, flash drives, and other accessories as well. And also at Solop Computer World, we undergo trainings pertaining to computer repairs, maintenance, and networking. Please subscribe to the channel and also like and comment on our videos. Thank you very much.
Hello viewers, I'm Gabriel Samuel Jacobson by name. I'm one of the apprentices in the Solop Computer World. Solop Computer World is a place I love to stay because I have passion for computer repairs and maintenance. We deal with all kinds of PC problems. Please kindly subscribe to our channel for more values because more videos are coming. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Grace, one of the apprentices in Solop Computer World. It has been great working with team and I enjoy my staying here. We deal on all kinds of computer system repairs, both hardware and software problems. Do well to subscribe to this channel because more videos are coming. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Prince, also known as China. I have been working with my senior brother for a while now. We fix all kinds of computer systems, both software issue and hardware problems. Please like and subscribe to our channel.
Hi viewers, I'm Emmanuel Robert. I'm a new apprentice at the Solop Computer World. Please here we deal with selling of laptops, repairing of electronics, and also selling of electronic devices with maintenance. Please stay tuned for more values and please do go to like and subscribe.